To connect LinkedIn with Make, choose here LinkedIn module. For example, create a user text post, and here create a connection. Here I choose for connection type LinkedIn ID and click Save. You have to be in the same browser logged in with your LinkedIn, and now click Allow. You have to create a LinkedIn password. You can't be logged in into LinkedIn with Gmail, for example. You have to have your password. And for example, if I write here some content now, click Save and run it once, then you can see post ID over here. And now if I go to LinkedIn, then here you can see LinkedIn people. So connecting LinkedIn is pretty easy if you are already logged in and you have a password. To post images on LinkedIn is also very easy. You just have to choose LinkedIn module. Here, create a user image post. I'm gonna click on it. And here you have to have upload a file or upload by link. For example, if you have something in your drive, you can use upload by link. For that I have separate videos to show that. Or if you're taking something from internet, you can use link or AI generated images as well. So I'm gonna add AI here, generate an image. So I have prompt welcoming people on LinkedIn, and response format is gonna be URL. So now I can take this URL, as you can see it already mapped out. But in this case I will have to use not URL but image data. But as I'm using URL, I have to also change here it upload by link. And for URL I'm just gonna put URL over here. Title can be empty because it is title of image. It is not necessary, nobody's gonna see it on LinkedIn. But here you have to add some content, which is usually some text. Click Save and run it once. As you can see, now it ran it. And if I go to my profile, then you can see it generated image of this woman. I guess this is what Grok sees when he's welcoming people on LinkedIn. It is also very simple with videos. You have to have your LinkedIn connection. This time I have to reconnect it. Nothing crazy. Just have to click allow one more time. And now I have the same method that with the picture you can upload by file or by link here on LinkedIn. And as you can see, here are absolutely many things you can do. For example, get statistics, share company things, get company post, and many other things. So connecting LinkedIn is quite easy, and in my upcoming videos I'm gonna show how to post there automatically from source, or for example from other sources, just with rewritten AI text or images. For example, you can do a news page. This is a very simple video how to connect LinkedIn to Make.com.